Canceling a transaction on Worldremit is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. You can request cancellation of your transfer through the transfer status page on your website and application. Refunds usually take 1 to 7 working days, depending on your payment method. Please note that we are not always able to cancel transfers once they have been sent. If your transfer status page does not allow you to cancel, this means the money has already been paid. Take note of Worldremit's cancellation policies for future reference, and make sure to double-check all details before confirming a transaction to avoid the need for cancellation. Remember that the ability to cancel a transaction may vary based on factors such as the payment method, the destination country, and the specific circumstances of the transaction.